All right, the next one is likelihood of achievement. And the best way to do this is testimonials. You want to make sure that the people that you have serviced well, you want to make sure that you're getting testimonials from them and putting them in your website, putting them in your social media, and you're showing that you have a high rate of success. Another way to do this is by reviews. You want to make sure that you are doing follow-up review campaigns with texts, emails, calling them, and asking them put a good review for you on the internet. And good reviews actually help boost your likelihood of achievement because they boost your reputation and it shows off your success rate.